Okay, hi, welcome to our Marketing Cloud growth video series. So today we're going to look at content creation in Marketing Cloud. So to create your content in Marketing Cloud, we just go to the Content tab. On the Content tab, so under the Content tab, you'll see different workspaces, their names, look at the workspace, their purpose, in the description. So ideally, like in our workspace, this is where you perform all your actions. All your content creation, your emails, you can upload content to that workspace, as well as you can add contributors to your workspace. You can choose whom you want to collaborate with within your workspace. So to create a workspace, you just click on the Add Workspace at the top right. You'll have two options. You have the marketing option and then the general option. So this general option, this one is used with the Experience Cloud. So if you have worked with the Experience Cloud to create digital experiences, so most of those web pages you can create and manage. You can upload different news, documents, images, and custom content types. So those ones goes under general, but for us, we work with marketing. So because we want to send out email, SMS, and everything. So you choose the marketing one, click next. So you have two options. We have the enhanced CMS and then we have the non-enhanced. So if the content you are developing in your workspace, if you want to publish to our site or the LWR site, you can use the enhanced one. But if you don't want to publish to the Aura sites, then you can use the CMS Workspace. But for us, since we are dealing with marketing, any will do. So just go with the enhanced. Then here we can name our workspace. So we can say Workspace Genetrix 1. And click on Next. Choose language English, then click on Finish. So workspace successfully created. So now once your workspace is created, now here is where you add the contents, develop different emails and SMS. So to add any content, you just click on the Add button here. You see the option for the content and folder. You can create different folders within our workspace. So maybe you can say folder 1 test. So this is where we'll add our content for this tutorial. Then you click on Save. So just go inside the folder. So here you just click on Create Content. So you'll have different types of content. You have the brand, email, form, image, landing page, SMS. Image is just simple. Image is just to upload the image content to your folder within this workspace. Brand. Now this is the style or the colors of your brand that you want to build. If your company, like your brand is maybe, their theme is orange, choose the brand, and then you can build that orange. Email. This is where you develop the email content that you want to send out, if you have specific details you want. To capture from your customers, we'll use the form, then you have to publish them on a landing page. Image, just simply media files if you want to add images to your workspace. Then we have landing pages. If you want to capture more info from your customers, you can use the landing page. If you want to direct your customers to a different site, maybe to tell them thank you and everything, use the landing page. SMS, these are text messages. We'll show you how. So I'll show you how each one of them works. So we'll start with the brand. So today I'll cover this brand and email. So brand, and you click on Create the Brand. It's still loading. Maybe let's say the title of my brand will be, let me just say Green Brand. Green Brand. API name, I'll say green_brand. Now, on the right side, you'll see the preview of your changes. So for example, the colors, Maybe I can say I can choose the green one. You see the bottom I've changed in everything. You can change the background. Let's say you want the background to be red. You see the background changes, as well as the text. Maybe you want your text to be white. That's the brand. You can change the font of your text if you want. Different, maybe Korea or black, everything, you can just do it from here. Text styles as well. You see, you can have heading 1 style for heading 1. You can change the style for heading 1, heading 2 as well. If you want to edit the button, you can change the text for the button. Now here we have the colors. So let's say you can change the brand for the buttons, the margin and padding as well for your brand, the borders. Once you're satisfied with everything, you have created everything in your brand, you just click Save. Then you have to publish your brand so that it could be available for use. Now, once your brand is published, you can come back now to create the content.